Here I have OPPO A12, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, scroll down, and then go to the language and region section. Then select language. And here you can see the whole list of languages which you can change your device in. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian, then tap done, and then change to Ukrainian. And after that, as you can see, language will be changed to Ukrainian. If you want to change it back to English, go to the parametry, then to Mova и регион, Mova, and select English, and tap да, готово. Змінити на англійська. And as you can see, the language turned back to English. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.